everyone, Angela here. Today I'm so excited. We get to talk about one of the first things you are probably going to ask when you're interested in starting essential oils. So we're going to talk about how to actually use your oils. A lot of times people, they find one oil that they specifically want to start with, and then they just don't know where to go from there. So we're going to talk about the three main ways that you can use your oils, and then I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to kind of incorporate it into your daily life, how to expand on the first few things that you're going to do with your oils. Okay, so the first thing that we need to talk about is smell, right? That's the first way that you can benefit from essential oil use. So using your oils aromatically. The first and easiest way, of course, is just to get a diffuser. I didn't bring it in here. I have a couple in the other rooms, but not one in this room yet. Anyways, so an essential oil diffuser runs on water, and then you add your oils to the diffuser and you run it, and then it spreads the oils through the air. So everyone in the house can benefit from it, including your animals. It's great for, like, if there's a storm, you can put Serenity in, and then everyone will calm down just a little bit. So you can diffuse the essential oils. You can apply them directly on your hands. So like the On Guard is a great one for that. So you literally put a drop on your hand, and then you can kind of rub it in a little bit, and then just inhale. Because it's gonna go, it smells so good, it's gonna go directly into your body this way. You also are sanitizing your hands. So it smells great, and it's awesome. But you have to make sure that if you have oils on your hands, don't go like rubbing your eyes or like, touching a child or something like that. So you gotta be mindful if you're doing that one. And then my personal favorite, I think, is using your essential oils as a perfume, because then of course you're going to benefit from the smell, and coconut oil helps the oils kind of like seep into your body at a slower pace. So the coconut oil will extend the length that you can smell the smell, and then of course, that extends the length of the time you can benefit from the oil. So I use a lot of oils as perfume. The second way is kind of the same. I guess this is like a segue leading into it. You can just use the oils on your skin. So like I said, perfume, this one is like so empty. I need to fill it again, but the recipe's right on there, so I'll do that. But yeah, you just put it directly on your body. We use like the Balance for the kids right before bed. This is coconut oil and like 3 or 4 drops of Balance in it. And you can use it as a massage if there are like specific targeted areas that you want to, that you need to target, I guess. Like if you have a muscle pain, right? You could put Deep Blue specifically on that spot, and it will kind of like add a power punch right to that area of issue or area of concern. Of course, you can add it to not just coconut oil, but your lotions, shampoo. Your skin is your largest organ, so like everything that you put on your body gets into your body, which is why it's so important, I think, to be doing your research about essential oils and other toxins and chemicals that you put on your body. So these are just safe, natural ways to do it. And one other way, we use like the spray bottles. This is a boo-boo spray. It has lavender, melaleuca, and which is tea tree, and then the frankincense. And so we use this. I've made this like a billion times. I just keep refilling it. The kids love it. We put it on like if their feelings get hurt, they get boo-boo spray. But yeah, so putting it on your body, putting it in your body, smelling it. In your body. That's the third way. Sorry, that's ingesting. So the third way that you can benefit from essential oils is by putting them actually into your body, not just having them around you, not just on your skin, but into your body. I think the easiest way is, for me, I just put a drop under my tongue. So like frankincense. It's something you get used to, but I really enjoy it. Like in the morning, pop one drop right under my tongue. On Guard, this is awesome. I honestly put my finger kind of on it just a little bit, like if I get a canker sore, and then I hold it on. Now the clove in it will kind of numb your skin, so it works really great for canker sores or like tooth pain or gum pain. You can put like the citrus oils right in a glass of water. Make sure it's glass or stainless steel, not plastic, or styrofoam. But yeah, you can put it and ingest it that way. You can put it, essential oils in any of your cooking. Smoothies is really great. I do a drop of peppermint under my tongue if I don't have these beadlets. These peppermint beadlets are awesome. I kind of quit chewing gum after my last dental visit because I got a robot tooth, and I was really afraid of like gum. And so anyways, I've just totally transitioned to these. So they're great for a breath freshener. I'm getting, I think in each drop there's like a quarter of a real drop of oil. So there's not much oil, but like peppermint is so strong that it freshens your breath. This is great for sugar cravings, or if you just like, you need a distraction from like just, munching all day. They're just really awesome to have. So I keep these everywhere, like everywhere. But they're so great. So I'm trying to think. I feel like that might be it. I'm sure I'm missing some things, but these are just, the 3 main ways that you can use your oils using a diffuser. Oh, you can make diffuser blends, by the way. This is a dropper instead of the traditional cap, and so I can make my oil blend, and then this is so much faster. Instead of putting 4 different oils in, I just take a thing and squeeze and drop it in. Anyways, you can use your oils aromatically. You can put them on your body. You can put them in your body. One good thing to know about the oils that you put in your body, they will say essential oil supplement right here. Supplement. So if it's a supplement, you can put it in your body. If it doesn't say supplement, don't put it in your body. That's the easiest way to learn, but they put it right on the bottles for you so that you don't have to memorize it all. You can just look at the bottle and read it. So we'll eventually go through all the different oils out there, and we'll maybe even have a video about diffuser blends, but I just wanted to get the basics out of the way so that everyone can reference this. And this is something like building essential oils into your routine is something that takes time. I've been using oils for 6 years at this point, and I still am learning things about it. So there's no right or wrong way. It's just give it a try, and if it doesn't work out, try something different, because not everything works the same for everybody. And like I said, it's just a journey that we're on. So if you have questions, comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'm just really excited that we're all on this essential oil journey together, because I think it can only improve our lives. So anyways, thank you all so much. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.